Hi friends, welcome to Savveggie. Today we are going to prepare Dudi Halwa recipe, that is bottle gourd halwa recipe. You don't need to wait for an occasion to savor the sweet and creamy Dudi Halwa, as it can be prepared at home in just few minutes and doesn't require any expert cooking skills. This recipe takes its taste and texture to next level, as the use of condensed milk and a generous amount of dry fruits provide nice creamy texture, while ghee and cardamom provides irresistible aroma. And now ingredients required: we need 1 bottle gourd, 1 cup, that is 250 grams fat milk, 3 tablespoons condensed milk, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons ghee, that is clarified butter, and 10 cashew nuts chopped and 10 almonds chopped, 15 raisins, and kova 2 spoons, one by 2 teaspoon cardamom powder. Now coming to directions to prepare. Take 2½ cups grated dudi. Squeeze out water from grated dudi completely. To grate dudi, first peel it and then wash it in running water. After that, grate it from all sides and discard center part having seeds. Now heat ghee in a pan. Add grated dudi. Set it on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir continuously. Now add milk and condensed milk. Mix well and bring mixture to boil. Now when it starts to boil, reduce flame to low and cook it until almost milk is absorbed, and it will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally in between to prevent sticking. Add sugar, chopped cashew and almonds and mix well. Now add kova, stir continuously and cook until almost moisture is evaporated and the mixture turns thick, approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Turn off flame. Add cardamom powder and mix it properly. Delicious dudi halwa is ready now. Transfer it to serving bowl and serve hot. Replace sweetened condensed milk with 4 tablespoons kova and increase amount of sugar to 5 tablespoons for variation in taste and ease of preparation. Sweet and creamy with nice small chunks of cream. Sweet and savory dudi ka halwa is a household sweet in India, and it can be served as a dessert or as a sweet accompaniment to main dish. Serve it along with some namkeen to entertain the guest. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.